This is a process called electrolysis, where I'm using a battery to force chemical reactions to happen. I have a 9-volt battery connected to 2 pennies. I then added a salt solution, and as soon as I connected my battery to that, bubbles started to form. By placing the pennies in the salt solution, I'm completing the circuit. If this were a normal circuit, that just means that I'm moving electrons from the black terminal towards the red terminal. But in this circuit, the current flows differently within the salt solution. In the salt solution, there's a bunch of free ions, positive and negative, just floating around. So when I connect the circuit, the positive ions start moving towards the black terminal, and all the negative ions start moving towards the red terminal. And that's fine. Any movement of charge is current, and we can use that to complete the circuit. Here's the problem though, in a metal, only electrons can move. So at the black terminal, electrons have to jump out of the metal and into the salt solution. And then at the red terminal, they have to somehow jump back into the metal. And the only way for any of that to happen is for chemical reactions to take place. The penny on the black side has to reduce by making hydrogen gas. That's all those bubbles forming. And the penny on the red side has to oxidize by making copper oxide. Anyway, the result of this is that the penny on the red terminal gets totally destroyed, but the penny on the black terminal gets nice and shiny. And so this is one way that people can use to clean metallic objects. Thanks for watching.